everyone. Today on Hello Susan, we're going to start a new project. It's going to be an altered file folder pocket journal type thing. We're going to use another Hello Susan kit, and this one's called Floral Ledger, and it comes with everything you need. We're also going to use a kit called Collages, and I'll show you what I mean. So first of all, let me just move some of this out of the way, and we'll go over the kit. So this is Floral Ledger. So it's got lots of flowers. Of course, the title tells you everything. And then it's got lots of ledgers. Very pretty, very summer. Lots of birds, a little bit of bees, butterflies. Isn't that pretty? See how it's got the lined paper back here, and then there's a receipt behind that one. Some more lined paper, and this one says household expenses. Love that. And then this one's just a framed piece right there. And this is another receipt about chocolate. Very nostalgic, kind of country, kind of cottagey, kind of shabby. I think it can go in many, many ways. Isn't this cute? It's a little a bird feeder, but instead of putting bird food, I put some water in there so that it could be a place for them to come get their water. And then it's got January through December at the top. Very feminine. This is the ephemera that comes with the kit. That's an envelope, some tags, some fussy cuts, a lot of words. There's a strip right there you can cut all up if you want to. And then these are tags, and I did them in a layered design. So it's got a script, and then it also has your ledger behind it. This one's got a dictionary page. This one is a ledger. This one is an empty ledger. But it's got layers, and then it's got the lace. Everything that you would actually do maybe with your real laces and things. That was so much fun to put together. And here's a belly band and some larger tags and some numbers. Now this is the collage sheet that I was telling you about. It comes with 6 different collages, but I'm just going to use 2 in this kit. And this is one of them. So it's got all the ledgers and everything just scattered, and then a little bit of flowers and things, and then it's a full-fledged design with all the flowers and birds and everything you can think of, just all thrown in there. So that's what we're going to use. Let me get the file folder, because I've got it right here. So let me open it up. This is what a file folder is, right? Everybody knows that. And I chose the one that had the tab on this side. Let me scoot out just a little bit so you can see just a little bit better. There you go. Okay, so all I did was take it this way, opened it up, and then where the tab starts here and the tab starts here, I just folded that. So no measuring. And then I decided that I wanted to have an opening like this. So all I did was just split the difference and turn this one in halfway and this one in halfway. I haven't decided if I'm going to cut that tab off or not, or if I'm just going to leave it there and just keep it tucked in. And then what I want to do is I want to take this one, this piece right here, and I want to put that on the back. And I'll probably put it this way and do it again and put it, glue it together, because I want it to show from the front and be taller. And that'll be a double thickness. And then what that will do, and then I'll cut it off here. And then what that will do is I will connect this all together and make a pouch. And that's where the journal's going to fit, is right inside there. And then I also, on the back, I'm going to put, well, let me find it. Here we go. I made an envelope like I do a lot. It's just one sheet of paper, and you just fold it up to where it turns into an envelope. So I'm going to put that. Let's just pretend this one is on that like that. So I'm going to put it like this, and this will be cut off, but I'm going to set that right there, and then I can put stuff inside there, and I can also put stuff inside there. So by this being folded up, this creates a pocket here and a pocket here, and I want to stabilize this so that this stays flat and turns into that pouch. And then look at some of this stuff I found. I went through my stash, and I had this, I was looking for something that I could cover the front, that I could split down the middle. That couldn't have fit any better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that down the middle, so then that way it'll still open. And then I'll decorate it. And I found this embroidered beaded applique. And so I'm going to use that and cut it up and make it to where some is on this side and some is on that side, so that it can still open up. And then look at these butterflies I'm playing with. It's got script on the back, so I thought that went perfect with this kit. I did go ahead and double it up, so it's 2 different butterflies. Oh, maybe I can scoot it again so you can see this. So, okay, so it's 2 butterflies, and one is script. And then I glued it together, and then on the back, I put some decorative paper. So I glued that on the back, and then I put this little tab here so that I could attach it, because I want it to be fluttering on top of the pouch. Haven't quite figured out all the logistics. And then I put some stickles. Can you see how it shines just a little bit? So I made 2 of them, a small one and a big one. And I'm thinking by putting these tabs there that I'll be able to glue that in place someplace. And then this one has flowers on the, well, that's not focusing, I'm sorry. Here we go. Let me move this out of the way. So this one has flowers on the back too, and netting. And this one has knitting too, if I didn't say that. But that's where I'm going so far. So I just wanted to show you my thought process and what's going on, and let you know we're starting a new project, and it's going to be the altered file folder. Okay, well, thanks so much. That's it for me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.